Let's see a program to display natural number from 5 to 1 in reverse order. That is, first I have to display 5, then 4, 3, 2 and 1. So that means the initial value is going to be our 5. Okay. So after displaying 1, when I value becomes 0, we got to stop. So let's see how to do this. I'll start directly with the main. Now this 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 has to be generated. So for that we'll declare one integer variable I. So 2 bytes has been allocated for this I. And its initial value should be an 5. So the initialization is going to be our I equals to 5. So I value is going to be first time 5. So once it becomes 0, we have to stop. So you can give the condition here is, one is I value, if it is not equals to 0, you have to keep on doing this job. Or else I is greater than 0 you can give. Or else I is greater than or equal to 1. Because 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all these are nothing but greater than 0 as well as greater than or equal to 1. As well as 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are nothing but not equals to 0. When it's at 0, when it is 0, this 0 is not equals to 0, this is going to be false. 0 is greater than 0, that is also going to be false. 0 is greater than or equal to 1, that is also going to be false. So once it becomes 0, I value becomes 0, the condition should be false. So for that, you can give any one of these conditions. So I'll give that second one, that is, third one, I is greater than or equal to 1 by giving here I is greater than or equal to 1. First time I value is 5. So 5 is greater than 1, the condition is true. If it is true, let's display the I value here by giving printf %d and then display our I value. So our present I value is 5, so 5 is displayed. So after that, the I value should get decremented. Next we have to make the I value as an 4. So you can decrement the I value by 1 by giving our I minus minus and then close this loop. Then again it goes back and checks once again the condition here. So at present the I value is nothing but 4. So 4 is greater than 1. The condition is true. Okay. So earlier it was 5 is greater than or equal to 1, true. Now at present 4 is greater than or equal to 1. The condition is true. Comes down and display I value, that 4 is displayed. And then again I minus minus. This time I value is going to be here now 3. Okay, then again go back and once again checks the condition here. This time it will take it as 3, is it greater than or equal to 1? Yes, it is true. Comes down and display 3. Same way 2 is greater than or equal to 1, true. So it will display 2. Next, after displaying 2, 2 minus minus, it's going to be now 1. So when you go back and check the condition here, this time it's going to take it as 1 is greater than or equal to 1. It is equal to 1. Once again the condition is true. Come and display 1. And then I minus minus, the time this I value becomes now 0. So when it is 0, when you go back and then check the condition here, 0 is greater than or equal to 1. It is actually less than, so that means this condition is false. So when it is false, that time it comes out of the loop, and then here you can give return 0 and then terminate the program. So this is a simple program to display a natural number from 5 to 1 in reverse order. So we'll see the output in the code block. So I have to display our 5 to 1. So for that reason I have initialized here I value is equals to 5. And then check the condition here. 5 is greater than or equal to 1, true. So displays here 5. And then I minus minus, next I value is going to be 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 1, true. So display here 4 and then it becomes 3. So it keeps on doing it. When I value is 1, 1 is greater than or equal to 1, it is equal to, so displays here 1. And next it's going to be here 0, and 0 is greater than or equal to 1, the condition is false. It comes out of the loop and stops the program. Let's see the output of this. Run the program. You can see here it has displayed here 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll run this program line by line, the single step execution in debug mode. So at the debug stage, you want to display some variable values. So activate the watch window. Okay, still the program is not started, so local variables are none. We can start the program execution, keep the cursor up to what you want to execute. Go to the debug and run to cursor. It has executed and expand this local variable value. So here it is I equals to 1. You can display the output window also. So now the program execution is there at I equals to 1 initialization line. So we'll run that. At present I value is junk. So press F7 to run that line. Okay, press F7. So it has executed I value is equals to 5. And then 5 is greater than or equal to 1. The condition is true. It will get into the loop if I press F7 here. So it's inside the loop statement. Printf I will be displayed. So I value is 5, so 5 is displayed. Next is I value should be made as an 4. So I minus minus. So you can check your local variable I value. Press F7 here. It's going to be at 4. Then again goes back to the while statement. The cursor is at present while statement. So I is 4. 4 is greater than or equal to 1. The condition is true. Again it will come inside this printf I. So 4 has to be displayed. So next again I minus it's 3. So 3 is also greater than or equal to 1. True. Printf I. 3 is displayed. It's going to be now 2. Then again 2 is displayed. Next time I value is going to be here 1. So 1 is also greater than or equal to 1. It is true here. So it has entered the loop and printf I value. Press F7. So 1 is also displayed. You can check out in the output window. Now I minus minus, you can check the local variable I value. It's going to be 0 here. Now when you go back and check the while condition, while 0 is greater than or equal to 1, it is false. Actually 0 is less than 1. So this condition is false. If you press F7, it comes out of the loop and then stops the program and then terminate. So this is the program to display natural number from 5 to 1.